About to see how much stuff I can fit in this smoker. Hey guys, so we wrapped up our football season last night. Man, it's never a good thing to go down in a loss, and especially not the way it happened. Not that the other team doesn't deserve credit, but we feel like, well, we were the better team and just did not play well. However, we're going to celebrate the season nonetheless. I've got a couple of brisket points thrown in here. I've also got some pork belly cut up and seasoned, and it's in there. I'm about to throw some burger patties and sausage in there, and I'm going to stuff this thing with as much food as I can. And yeah, we'll see how it all turns out. Don't really have a plan, man. I'm just cooking and cooking. So here we go. All right, here's our brisket points up here. Doing pretty good so far. Here's our pork belly down here. Hadn't been on long. Trying to time this thing out. This is going to cook for quite a bit longer, so it's been on here for a while, comparatively speaking. So yep, I'm about to throw some burgers and sausage on and eat on those for lunch. All right, guys, we got the burgers and sausage on now. This thing's getting pretty loaded up. It smells incredible. Got the oak lump charcoal with pecan and apple chunks in there. I know apple's a little strange with brisket, but I did it the other day because I was out of fuel. That's all I had, and it turned out fantastic. So not afraid of it, especially mixing it with pecan. It's gonna be good. You should smell it. Holy cow. All right, so I'm gonna let the burgers and sausage go for maybe 45 minutes to an hour. I'm not trying to get them to a perfect level of doneness at all. I mean, I don't care how overdone they get. I'm just trying to get a good amount of smoke on them, and then I'm going to, whenever I reheat them, I'm gonna do them in a pan so I get that Maillard reaction on the outside of the meat, that crispiness that tastes so good. So I'm just getting some smoke on them now, like I said, for about 45 minutes to an hour. While this is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little bit of breakdown on the products that I'm using here. They're all ChefsTemp products. This company's been really good to me, sending me stuff to test, and I've been thoroughly impressed with all of it. So let's take a quick look at it. So right here's our ChefsTemp S1. I've got another one right here. So get an idea of the size of it. You know, it's got 4 buttons, got 2 buttons there, 2 there. But yeah, it's just essentially it's a thermometer. Okay, it's going to read the ambient temperature inside of the cabinet and plus display the probe temperatures right here on the bottom. If you'll notice right here, this one's showing 66 degrees and it's set on channel 1. I'm going to go ahead and set this to rotate channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, and then now it's going to rotate through. Okay, so there's channel 1 at 66 degrees. Channel 2 at 45. Channel 3 is at 113. That's one of my pork bellies. And then channel 4 is another pork belly at 111. So it's reading all that. Now the other thing that it's doing is it's pushing the Brisket fan. Now it's set at 275, so the fan's not running right now, but the fan pushes air through my cabinet here and feeds the fire and controls the temperature. So right now it's at our target temp of 275, so the fan's not running. But here's a closer look at the fan right here. It's got the little spring clip attachment, and it's got this, comes on and off magnetically if you really want it to be wide open, but I don't hardly ever have it that much. Usually I got it about like so at the most. And so there's the fan that we're using, and I'm also using 3 types of probes today. The first type of probe is the ProTemp 2. This is their newest probe. It's good for 1,000 degrees. So this is one you want to grill with. It's also super thin, comparatively speaking, to just about every single probe on the market. It's much thinner. Okay, the other 2 that I'm using is the original Plus probe. Okay, Okay, so this probe right here, it's a little bit thicker, as you can see, a little bit thicker, but it's got a super strong signal. And then the third kind of probe I'm using today is the same thing. It's just a mini. It's about that long instead, so it's just a shorter version of the exact same probe. So loaded up on the ChefsTemp stuff today. Let me tell you, it's been an absolute game changer for me. Love every last bit of it. It's worked great. If you're running this pit, man, the ChefsTemp stuff is awesome. You may already have something by another brand, but what you've also got then is wires running everywhere. There's not one single wire here other than the power that goes to the fan. One little wire right down there. That's it. Not another wire anywhere else. So it's been incredible. I can't say enough good things about it. And whenever they come out with something new, man, I'm buying it. I've already got 2 more things on order right now. So anyhow, back to the cooking. All right, let's take a look and see where we're at hamburger wise. Yeah. Yeah, they look good. The sausage looks like it's about done. Go ahead and get those off. So I decided to take the pork belly and the brisket, chop it up and make the chili. You know, chili is something you make out of necessity. You know, it's whatever you got thrown in a pot, and I figured, what the heck, you know, I tried to stay somewhat true to the original chili recipe and make a Texas red out of it. It turned out really, really fantastic, man. I've never done one with pork belly in it. I've always used like pork sausage, but the chunks of the pork belly and the chunks of the brisket, man, it turned out great, and I'm really fired up about it. I got another brisket point just resting right now, and I also smoked a turkey breast, so we're about to check that out. Never done one myself, so I figured with Thanksgiving close by, I'd give that a shot and see how it goes. Well, guys, the turkey and the brisket point have been resting now for about 3 hours or so. Let's go on in and slice them up. All right, so the final verdict. Man, I don't know what to say. Everything was awesome. The chili was legit. You know, I sliced up the turkey and I gave it to my wife because she is a smoked turkey enthusiast. And having never done it, I didn't know what to expect. It was so juicy and perfect. Man, those ChefsTemp probes being in the turkey and letting it hit at 165 and holding it there for about 3 hours. Man, super juicy, smoky, so good. Man, I will definitely be smoking more turkey breasts. And then the brisket point, that was really an afterthought. I wasn't even worried about it. I've done so many of them.
It was literally the best one I've ever done. And I really think it was a combination of the pecan wood and apple wood smoke, because the aroma coming out of that pit with those two together was something, man, it was something else. I'm gonna keep using that combination, really, because it blended so well. And man, I can't even tell you. Y'all got to try it. Anyhow, that's our cook for today. Give me a like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.